In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TradingView and OKX crypto account. Start on the TradingView website or app and open any chart you like. This doesn't have to be a specific market. The goal is simply to get to the trading interface. Once the chart is open, look toward the bottom of your screen for the trading panel. On desktop, it's part of the bottom dock alongside tools like the Pine Editor and Strategy Tester. Tap or click Trading Panel to expand it. This is where TradingView lists all supported brokers and exchanges that you can connect to for live trading. In the trading panel, find the OKX logo. If you don't see it right away, open the additional menu by clicking the three dots to reveal the full list of brokers. Scrolling through that expanded list usually makes it easy to spot OKX. When you've found it, select OKX and then choose Connect. TradingView will open a secure sign-in window for OKX. Sign into your OKX account using the standard OKX login flow. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and avoid sharing any sensitive information outside the official login form. After you sign in, OKX will ask you to authorize TradingView to access your account. This permission allows TradingView to read balances and place orders on your behalf. So review the details and continue only if you are comfortable. You'll confirm the authorization using your chosen authentication method, such as email verification or an authentication app. Complete that verification to finalize the connection. Once authorization succeeds, you'll see OKX listed as connected in the trading panel. Your account details will appear, and order tickets will become active right on the chart. From here, you can place, modify, and manage orders using TradingView's interface while they execute on OKX. If something doesn't connect on the first try, refresh the chart, ensure pop-ups aren't blocked, and check that your TradingView app is up to date. Also, make sure you are viewing a market supported by OKX to avoid symbol mismatches. That's it. Thanks for watching.